Hello, this is Amber Wood and welcome to my video. Today we are doing a Christmas haul video. Christmas haul, you guys. I don't know why, but for some reason people get me beauty and makeup items for Christmas. And I got lots of good stuff this year. And so I did a little poll on my Instagram stories and people said, heck yeah, do a video, heck yeah. Now, it's been a little while since I've done a YouTube video, so welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below. Click the little notification bell so you get a little note every time I have a new video. You guys, welcome. By the time this is out, it's gonna be 2020. So Happy New Year! Woohoo! 2020. What are we doing? Oh my God, I can't believe it. It's 2020. So I'm just gonna kind of dive in and show you guys what I got. I have a big family. Everybody was very generous this year. I got some really fun things. I'll start with some CoverGirl. Got a little lippy, a little gray lippy, which I'm gonna actually go ahead and open that right now. Oh no, it's not a lipstick. But I might use it as a lipstick. This is a liquid glitter eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. My mom got me this and I thought it was so funny because there was a gray lipstick that I didn't get from Jeffree Star. This is actually really pretty. Let me show you. Do like, you know, the gurus. Hold it up and I'll swatch it. That look a little dobby, dobby. Ooh, that's pretty. It's pretty. Pretty. No, but when I saw it, I thought it was a lipstick and I was like, oh, how perfect, because the Halloween mystery box, I didn't get the smallest one and that one had that gray lipstick in it and I wanted it so bad. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, that's kind of close. So maybe I'll try it as a lipstick. Something else, my aunt got me this and I'm not sure where it came from. Black Bamboo Beauty. It's like a lip shimmer, natural minerals, but it says on here that you don't put it directly onto your lips. So it says to put it on the back of your hand. Here's what the container looks like. I think she might have got it at Ulta. Okay, so it's like a roller. So it said, well, that's strange. Why would you do that? If it's for your lips and you put it on a roller. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's really pretty. It's like coppery. Can y'all see that? But it says to roll it on the back of your hand and then put it on your lips. Oh, it just kind of like scoops off. Oh. Hey. Shout out, Ina Marie. Look at that. That's cute. So why can't I put it directly on my lips? That's my question. Do they just not want the goo on the roller? I don't get it. Or is it bad for me? But it says it's natural, so I don't know. But it's cute. Thanks, Anna. Okay, and I think this one came from my mom. It was one of those little gifty things with some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I use every now and then. And so I will definitely use that super cute little thing. Something else my mom got me. I already kind of threw away the packaging, but I'll show you. I've been a Clinique girl for many years, and there was a cute little 4-pack of some Moisture Surge. You guys, if you've never tried Moisture Surge, it's like a drink for your face. Now, I used to use that yellow lotion that Clinique makes, and I used it all the time, but then when I tried this, it was like, it just like melts into your face. I love that stuff. But it also came with a face spray, which I used this morning and it was very refreshing. And then we've got a Moisture Surge overnight mask, which I have not tried yet. So that's a nice little size. So it was a cute little 4-pack. Now this guy, I'm not sure why this has to be so tiny. I mean, look, what? What is the point of making this? I mean, why is that so little? I mean, is it that expensive? This is for the eye. Moisture Surge Eye. So I don't know the price point on normal sizes for these. Look, hi. So maybe I can use it a few times. But I did try it the other night and it was nice. I don't know why it's such a tiny little container. Most people would lose this, you know. Anywho, moving on. This I was begging for somebody get me this. I kept seeing it on TV and I was like, I need it. Neutrogena Bright Boost. Have y'all seen it? The Neutrogena Bright Boost. So it's a really nice size. I've used it a few times. What I like about it is that it has a little handle on this thing, because I don't know about you guys, but anytime there's like a little top like this, I always like conk, you know, like dip it into the product and like get it everywhere. but it's lovely. It's really nice. I use it in the morning. It's supposed to like brighten up your skin. I think it's got like vitamin C in it. It's a gel cream. It feels really nice on the skin and I love it. I was gonna do this video while my son was taking a nap, but apparently we're skipping nap time today. So he's right there. My husband got me my favorite perfume, Armani Code. My sister and I have been wearing this perfume for years. I love it so much, and I had been out for a long time. He got me one, and I actually got him the cologne version. Oh, look at these. My earrings getting caught. What else did we get? Oh, I got some good smell-ums. Now, I'm a huge fan of Amber Romance, Victoria's Secret. They have a new one, apparently. It's an Amber Romance Noir. So I don't know, are you supposed to wear it at night? I don't know. It smells a little different, and they also had a shimmer, and I got the shimmer spray. It's also good to use as a anti-bug spray, in case you're interested. It always seems to work for that. I don't know if it's supposed to, but that's what we've always done. Anybody got Amber Romance? Keeps the bugs away. My aunt got me this cutie from Ulta. Look at how cute it is. It's like a little collection of lotions. Body Sorbet. It's a sorbet. So I haven't opened that yet, but it looks really cute and I'm excited to try that. My aunt also, every year, she gets me one of these bad boys. You guys, if you've never gotten one of these for Christmas, like, you need to get on the train because this kind of stuff lasts you the whole year. I'm definitely going to use it and I love it and I appreciate it. I want to talk about, I don't know if it's going to work. I definitely think it's going to hurt, but I'm excited to announce that I have the Ashley Black Guru. What is this thing called? A fascia blaster. Yeah! Now it says you're supposed to use Earl. Earl had to die. We gotta use oil when you rub it, but you gotta get in there and get that cellulite out. It's a master blaster. Every time I hear that, it makes me think of Mel Gibson and Tina Turner beyond Thunderdome. But anywho, so I am excited and scared. But I will definitely let you guys know how it goes. If you're interested, comment below and let me know. Pink drink. So this came out really cute. It's a NYX Cosmetics, part of their disco something collection. What is it called? Oh, Love, Lust, Disco, which I'm a huge disco fan. I know that shows my age, but whatevs. A little patty guy with a shimmer. But it's really, really good. I don't know if y'all can see that. I am terrible at swatching. Okay, well, I can see it. It's very shimmery. It's very similar to me, to the Fenty Beauty one that came out last year. I got that one too, but I think I've almost used whatever product was inside of that one. So when I saw this one coming through, I definitely wanted to have it. I also got, talk about shimmer, I got a KKW Beauty, got a shimmer, Skin Perfecting Body Shimmer. Pretty big container, 4 ounces. I mean, so it's like a neutral color. And then, let's see, I'm just gonna, oh, it smells good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. Okay, so it's not a whole lot of shimmer. There's a bit though. Oh, there's more than I thought. More than I thought there would be. Can y'all see that? I don't even know if you can see it. It's very pretty. Thank you, KKW. My mom also got me a Beauty Creations Elsa palette. I'm not even sure where she got this from, or maybe she ordered it online. I don't know. I have one product by Beauty Creations I actually use quite often, is their Unicorn Glitter Palette. I've used this one a lot. This is the kind of palette you just dip your finger in for the glitter. So I might have to do a review, but I looked at it. It's a beautiful palette. Drop in the plastic. There we go. So it's interesting because it's titled Elsa, but I mean, I see some Elsa colors over here, but this side kind of makes me feel a little bit of Anna. So maybe they should have called it Elsa and Anna, or just like Frozen or something. Or do they have an Anna palette? I don't even know. I'm gonna have to check it out and do some research, Amber, like most people should do before they do a video. Hello. So I'm interested to see how this works. Definitely be doing a review on that. I've been wanting this for a long time. I see all the big name influencers that do design work on their face, they use Mehron makeup. So I was very excited to get this. I use my iMagic Cosmetics. This is the one that I use all the time. You can see it's been used, faux show. I hear great things about Mehron paints, and I see all the big names use them, so I've definitely wanted to try it. It says Professional Face and Body Makeup Palette. Ooh. Oh. So it comes with just these 8 colors, but you know, you can mix colors to get other stuff. I do have one other Mehron product that I use quite often, is their body adhesive. When I do gems or like gears on my face or whatever, I'll use this glue, not eyelash glue because that doesn't stay, but that glue, put something on your face, it's gonna be there all day and it works really well. So I'm super stoked to try out these paints. So thanks to my hubby, I now have some Mehron paints. My husband also got me a little Jeffree action. He knows I love Jeffree products, Jeffree Star. So I was, you know, a bit bummed about the holiday mystery boxes that I missed out on because of the glitch and the thank you for your order that you don't actually have. And it was in one of those boxes, so he felt bad about it and he wanted to get me one. This is actually not one that I ever was like, ooh, I need to go and buy it, but I'll definitely use it. And I've heard really good things about this middle row with all these shimmers. I don't know if I should touch it yet. Oh, wow. Pretty. Hi, I'm pretty. Hi, I'm pretty. Sorry. I'm also stupid. Oh, see, there's my swatch. That's terrible. I hear good things about the palette. I'll definitely use it, and it's beautiful. One thing my sister got me, and I thought it was hilarious, because we actually used to get stuff like this when we were a kid, when we would ask for something and maybe it wasn't there yet or whatever. My mom would create like a picture with the product that I was gonna get because it wasn't there yet, and my sister made me one. So she ordered some Jeffree lipsticks and the setting powder, and it did not arrive in time. So this is what I got. I got Abused, which is kind of like a purpley blue color, and then the other one I got is Family Jewels. Looks kind of like pinkish, nudish, kind of a darker side though. And then the Fair setting powder, which I'm excited to get because I've already got the setting powder and I've been using it like crazy, but I was also kind of using it sparingly because I didn't want to run out. But now I'm getting a new one, so use it on up. And the powder is lovely. It smells like cotton candy. And thank you, Megan, for being so creative. I hope Jeffree can appreciate this. I guess we were in that 10% of people that didn't get their shipment in time for Christmas, so there it is. Now something else my sister got me, and I was like, OMG. She got me a personalized one for my business cards. How cute is that? And so I've just got my business cards in there. Aren't they cute? Thank you. Thank you. But look at, isn't that darling? So cute. Thank you, Megan. Okay, and then the last thing I was going to share is probably the one that I've used the most since Christmas. I've actually thought about buying it before and I just never did, and now I'm kind of like, why haven't I had this whole time? Because it's quickly becoming my favorite makeup palette. I used it today, and it's the Jeffree Star Alien palette. You guys, can I just say I was nervous to receive it because it's a weird shape. If you haven't seen it, it's in the shape of an alien head, which I'm about to show you. But I thought, A, it's a weird shape. Where the heck am I going to put that in my makeup palettes? B, it's going to be too big and bulky. Like, how am I going to take it anywhere? I was totally wrong. You guys, here's the palette. I know it's about the size of my head. So there I am. It doesn't feel as big as I thought it was going to be. The other thing that I like about it is that the top completely flips over. So that was really good planning on that. Look at these colors, you guys. It's like, why didn't I already have this? I mean, this is so me. So me. If you've seen any of my Instagram posts lately, I did a couple looks with the green up there and the purple, and so pretty. And today I just did like some neutral colors, and then I put some like purple eyeliner on and the green on the bottom. But I love all the shimmers in here, and the formula is amazing. Loving this palette and just regretting that I never bought it sooner. So If you don't have the Alien palette and you like fun colors, greens and purples have always been like in my color wheel. And so I definitely recommend it if you haven't already got it. I'm really thankful for all of my gifts and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions about any of the products that maybe you've been eyeing and you're like, I wonder about that. Maybe Amber can tell me about it. Please comment below. If there's one that you want to see a review on, please let me know. Make sure you like this video and have a great day. Happy New Year. Bye. What, baby? I got these earrings, by the way, from my mother-in-law. They're Kendra Scott. What? Aren't they cute? They're like gears. Totally steampunk. Loving it. Thanks, Lorraine. Did I get everything? I think I blabbed on. Sorry I look like a hot mess, but my son wouldn't take a nap, so you know what I have to say to that? That looks like slutty. That's not what it says. Shutty. Who else needs a shirt like this? Shutty. I'm gonna go. Adios. Bye-bye.